Check it out. Got glasses yesterday. I now wear glasses. What for? For to see with my eyes. Blurry words, sharp words. It's the high frequency detail that's missing. Like on the ceiling, it's like the like bumpy stuff, and they cast little tiny shadows. With the glasses off, it looks sort of gray. I can tell it's textured, but it's like the colors is like kind of averaged. Is it this way? Ah! Yeah. But with glasses on, I can see each individual circle the like sharp edge of the shadow and stuff. Same with like the distant city on the horizon. Out the window right there, there's a lovely view of valley, and the city lights. I don't know, like it's blurry. It's pretty but blurry, and then with the glasses on, I can see the point lights. And my main monitor, my main screen, apparently I have not been using it until now, because now I see pixels. So like, it's a dual mode display that can switch between 4K at 240 hertz and 1080p at 480 hertz. Yeah. And I would like toggle it back and forth, and it's like, wow, this is great. 1080p was like, yeah, dude, 32-inch screen, 1080p. I can't tell. Now I can tell. So yeah, I have a 4K screen, and was not using it in 4K. Now I can see in 4K. It's pretty expensive. Have you seen the web player that I made here? One Monday, the bot thing. Yeah, methinks. Roblox bot player. Web demo. HTTP server. So it's running using web GPU. Well, no, actually I think this is Firefox. Yeah, no, this is not Firefox Nightly. So it does not run with web GPU. Chrome has web GPU enabled on stable. Firefox has web GPU on Windows. So actually this might use web GPU on Windows. But not there yet on the Linux. You have to use the Nightly browser to get the web GPU. But this is WebGL. It has both backends. I should probably like disable the WebGL backend when it comes out, when the WebGPU one comes out, to like save on binary size. Disable a bunch of features. So yeah, this is not Strafe Client. This is a Roblox bot file. So someone got this time on Roblox. It uploaded to the storage for bot files. I downloaded it from the storage for bot files, and I wrote a decoder for that file format in Rust. So the Lua encodes it, and then the Rust has decoded it. And also it's using it is using the Strafe Client graphics module and the map decoder thing. So I am doing that. I am. Indeed. So, what was my plan? Load file. Right. That should be easy. Oh. Playback state. I think this is done, isn't it? Let's see. How much changes is this there? Okay, I deleted this crap. Yeah. It's so clean. Right. I made this new module. Very good. Run state. Yeah, man. Yes. I think that's great. Okay, I'm gonna merge this. Revert dose food, and then there's no little changes. Okay. So I have to go to the Strafe client and publish the changes. Gabagoo. So this is, yeah, it's this. This is common. Yeah. Good. Okay, so we go. Strafe project. How do I? Workspace. Oh, the Strafe client. I want this one. Lib common 8.1. It should be good. Common. Lib common. Okay, well, let's look at the difference here. So this makes a new type public and new time start finish adds a new burp to this one, and it doesn't change the public interface of anything. So this is a non-breaking change. Yay! I am pretty sure there's 2 spots I have to change it. Yeah, there's the other one. Okay. Common v8.1 run state. Pub run state. Yay! And then I publish that. Cargo publish strafesnet common. Yay! Okay. And then this guy. We used the new version. And everything works. Definitely it works. I see. I see. Okay, apparently I have to do the bot file as well. Util bokeh. So right. This whole thing. Let's look at the full diff. Okay, add some copy for some shte. Okay. I will do that. Boop. Squash. And then okay, that's good. And then this is like expose head. For bot player. Good. Is this a break and change? Actually, it should not be because I implement new traits. Oh, but the last time I published was here, and these are breaking changes. Oh, okay. Okay. Ununify. Yeah. Yeah. The glasses fit you? Awesome. I was like being really picky in the store, trying on all sorts of different ones, and going like, this is strange. This is strange, because like 30 years old, never had glasses. Never seen myself in glasses. It just looks strange. So after today, I'll be able to review the stream and see myself in my natural habitat for the first time. Alright, so this is actually 9 point. Whoa. Is there any little updatey guys? A little bit. Kinda don't matter. Event enum plus exposed head. And then this should be nothing. And I should be able to just publish this. Ooh. Getting into home labbing. I got a whole setup. What are you setting up? One Proxmox node. Well, that's the same number of nodes that I have. And a NAS. I have everything in one big box. I feel like that's the best architecture for home lab stuff, is just have a big beefy server, all the disks just jammed in there, and the fattest CPU you can get, the fattest graphics card you can get. And you can run your AI on a graphics card. You can run your video encoding on the CPU. You can run your media server on the hard drives, and everything is going together. Because, like, if you try to do, like, multiple... you just don't need... You just don't need that much... you don't need a data center of compute, right? And if you do, then you use a data center. Shall. Yeah. All right, so now I need to use the new versions. Common 0.2 and bot file 9.0. Wow. And everything will be working. Oh no. No. No, Mikey. No, that is so not right. We're over here. I don't have any tests. Node editor for the skin system. One for Roblox. Yeah. Roblox. Roblox should throw out the entire UI system and just let people draw polygons. Just like implement a indexed rendering thing. Just like set up the just like implement like WGPU, web GPU. It's a nice simple API that's very powerful, and exactly like web GPU is designed for this. It to be like secure and simple and cross-platform. Do it. All right, so let's try. Cargo run, and then 082. You're trolling. You're not trolling. All right. My fault. No. It should just work. React Lua. They did zero optimization work. At least the Android client is fast. It's a crying shame that Roblox is just a web browser now. Yet another web browser. Are they using WebView the whole time? Does it actually use the system WebView like a good little browser user? Roblox Studio depends on that. That's like the correct way to use a browser in your application, is to depend on system WebView so you don't run your own entire everything and ship a whole browser. But I guess I'm also of the opinion that like you shouldn't be using a browser in the first place for anything ever. Except for the browser that's already there. Okay, great. That runs. It's actually tracking its own internal state of the playback. Look at this. So I have this playback head that's like, so you have your bot file, and then you have your playback head that's like reading on the file, and it's like tracking the playback. So you could have like multiple playback heads playing back the same file, which is cool. But if you're gonna have like sounds going off, and you could have like the gauge in the middle of the screen on the bot playback on the web browser, and like a bunch of stuff, it has to like have some sort of internal state, and the timer as well, right? Excuse me. So this guy is the playback state. It holds all the cards. 112 bytes? You're gonna use up all my memory. So yeah, it's got various little things tracked. How many times you've jumped? What's the current gravity? Because the gravity can change. What's your current style? Which runs are active? Which is not very well thought out from the Roblox side, but this is how it works. I really like this code here. So these are the various events, and then like it mutates its internal state accordingly. I wonder if I should have substructs, and then it just like dispatches out to the struct. That would be interesting. But this one is the big one, right? So the bot is playing, and then there's a run event. Like maybe you start the run or you finish the run, and your timer starts counting and stops counting, right? So that's what this looks like. So prepare is like you entered the start zone, and it prepares a brand new run with an empty timer. So this is the hash map, and it says exactly which mode you're in, which is like main mode, bonus 1, bonus 2. This is tacked on to the end of this, which is a design mistake, but it's there. So then run start, you exited the start zone, or you jumped. It grabs the run that you started, the run in the mode that you started, and then starts that run. Start! So I have this function in, it's from the Strafesnet common libraries, that is a precise model of the state of a run. So like you create the run, you start the run, and time cannot be paused. It is strictly unpaused in the actual type of the timer. And then it's finished, and it cannot be unpaused. It's a stopped timer. It's time, right? And the strong types define everything. So you can ask it what the current time is, and like obviously it's just created, then your timer is at 0. If it's not, if it started, then it's running, and you have to check using the current time against the the internal timer just to see how much time has elapsed. Or if it's finished, then you just have the finish time. And that this is a fancy integer. This is also a fancy integer, but different. But like, look at this. When the timer finishes, if the state is created, that's an error. If the state is started, then we change it to finished and take the started timer and convert it into a paused timer, which has a different type. So the input type is unpaused. It takes ownership, and the output type is paused. And we can actually look at the definition of this function. Set time. So it gets the current time on the timer, creates a new timer that is paused, and sets the time to that timer. Very, very basic. But very precise. The exact representable states are there. No more, no less. And so it maps onto this interface one-to-one extremely well. Even though it was purpose-built for Strafe Client, it serves the same purpose, so I can use it. So then there's also this run clearing and run flagging system where run event flag, you can have all these different flag reasons. So like you pass through an anti-cheat zone, or you tried to fly, you change your gravity, etc. And so that calls this function that sets the flag reason on the run. And I have this mode spec where please flag exactly this mode. All right, so it gets it and flags it. Please flag all of the runs that are active. For all runs, flag them. Please flag invalid runs. If the run is invalid, flag it. Please flag in progress runs. Is run in progress? Flag it. So it's very, very happy code. And this, I believe this is all working. Wait. I need to like write a little JavaScript interface for this to like display the time. Wait a second. Hold up. Wait a minute. How do you make numbers on the screen? JavaScript. Help. How do you do this? HTML. Java. Okay. I know what to do. Ask AI. Yes. I know nothing about JavaScript, so this is like learning from scratch for me. All right. Write a tiny HTML and JavaScript timer. I want two files, index.html and timer.js. Tiny. All right. ID display. Boom. Don't need it. Div. Can you put text in a div? Yes. Ooh. No. Well, where does it actually do it? Okay, equals format. Dot text content equals to. So if I have a little guy going on here, actually, why don't I build the old? Oh, remember that sample. Yes, build it. Go, 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 go. Module. Wasm pack it up. Let's get it packed. Pack it up. Okay, now when we serve it, I'm serving. It runs like normal. So what I want is like literally just a little thingy, and I have no idea how to do that. Okay, why don't I don't need delete all of the code except, actually, literally, I just need this single line of code. So, render the text in the canvas. I don't know how to do that. How do you do that? Or do you mean like render using WebGPU? Because like then I would have to import a massive library. You literally cannot render text. You can only draw polygons. So I want to like have the canvas and then just like UI, so you can like use your mouse and select it and stuff like a normal browser things. This song is using samples from this song. I want the Wasm module to be like 200 kilobytes. Right now it's like 2.6 megabytes, but I haven't put in any work to try to make it small. What was I doing? Oh yeah. I was trying to look at the size of this. Look at the size of this thing. Hmm. Okay. How? Yeah. So just like, oh. Are we out of? We are out of RAM. Unlucky. All right, we're good. Okay. Except I need the AI running to use the AI. Delete all the code. I have a canvas that has is drawn to by Wasm, and I want to display a small timer HUD in the corner that shows the stopwatch time, I guess. Right. A single HTML element with box, I don't know, with text in it. And show me how to update the text. Assume the text comes from somewhere. Should I format it inside of the module? Delete all the code. It's too much code. All right. Timer. Hey, okay. Div. Hello. Okay, so you say timer and then you say boom, gimme. Okay. I didn't know that. Nito burrito. Style position fixed. Boy. So, wait. Do I literally put it in the canvas? Do you just go like this? 10 pixels. Oh, is that? Oh, I see. That's offset, isn't it? Okay. Hey, man. Okay, so that's great. So then you literally just go, give me that, and then set that. That's GG. This is exactly what I wanted. Awesome. All right. Let's go. Okay, so now. So now I need a little interface. So we have the head. Give. So we're gonna have say timer. Okay. Get run situation, and then it returns. Oh! My lifetimes. I guess I can clone it. Do I want to go like oopie here and go like, oh yeah, man, here's a run. You got it. And then you go, oh, on this run, what is the current time? Or should I go like get run time? And then like get is run started. Should it all be on the big playback head? And it's like just like you call functions on that. Because like it has everything there. Earth state. I don't know. Yeah, you cannot give lifetimes away to JavaScript. So I would need to arc the values if I wanted to do that. So I guess I'll just put a big bungus on the chungus here. We're going to go like get runtime self mode ID. We can just set U3 too. It's whatever for now. Time is session time. Let's go, baby. And then it returns option F64. And by how yeah. So this one, duration. Duration. It's not an option. It just is, and we go like self dot bah dot duh, and that's easy. And then this is mo self dot no. I guess I can go. Yeah. So this is a good pub, I think. Run state is, does that have like is started? No. So I do want to know these things. Like is in progress, is finished. Is started, is finished. So I could make that pub. Is finished. So pub is invalid pub. I can also do like get flag reason here. Oh. Wait, does this have the text? No. Oh. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. Do I go for it? Oh. Okay, so the has the strafe lib common run flag reason does have as ref stir, interesting. But then I don't have to like convert it. I'll just steal it and deal it. Uh-oh. Unlucky. Okay, I'll just do it like this. Dibba-da-doo, dibba-da-doo. It should be copy. Yay. Okay, and then time. Here. So then lib head. So indeed state indeed Oi. Const. I love const. Const. Next event. It might be it, but const. Okay. So then now we give it the state, and then we can get the run. The run did it. Wait, pub new. Pub create. Do we want to allow creating? I don't know. It's just the lib actually. It doesn't matter. Pub function get run self mode ID Woink. Haha. Pub function get. Oh. Do I want the text to be in here? Yes. I'll just say text. Like a silk screen. What's the message in the game? Oh my god, bro. Practice mode triggers invalidate. Triggered. I'm triggered. Okay. Gabagoo. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Oh. So okay. Git runtime, git is run in progress. I'm not doing is run started because you might call a finished run started, but an in progress run is definitely an in progress run. Um, is it? Oh no, it's just a dingus like this, isn't it? Yay! Oh. Boy. Right. More private. I see. Now we're talking. Ready. Oh. Oh. Forgot about that. I forgot. All right. Wait. No. Ugh. Uh, oh. I have the code. Should be like right here. Zoink. True. Why? Interpreted as generic arguments. You goobert. You goobert. Okay. Yay! Arr. Yay. Okay. Come on, bro. Oh my god, bro. Head time. Oh, const. Oh, const. Runtime. Real. Uh-oh. Integer time enter. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's runtime. No way. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What do you want? F64. Okay. Or, and then you do here, get coerce. Right. When we're going back, we want to get nanosecond. Oh, well. I guess actually it doesn't matter. We can just get and do okay. So there's things. So you just go like, oh, timer, and then you go, oh, timer, and then you go set it, and it go, right? Okay. Hell is. Oh, ID. Viewport. Hello, and then we can go the get element. Oh my god. Yay. And then start time. Get element by ID. Ooh. Um. Well. Come on, buh. Dot get runtime. Is it okay? It'll tell me time number. Yeah. And then it could be undefiner, but that it just does. We just do not care. Yay. Does it work? Oh. I do not see timer. Size is 0. Whose size is 0? Oh. Yeah, I don't know how to make it work. Help. AI help. Glasses. Ah. 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 Sure. Why don't we do that? Wait. Did I just not shift F5? Oops. Void. What? Oh. Well, at least I know it's working. Oh! Okay, so now it's negative 34, huh? Ooh. Alright, so the AI code is not exactly the best. But we knew that. Oh, yeah. IZ. Wait. Isn't that right, though? Okay, so... Undefined. Is that different than null? I don't know. How? Help. I have the timer like this, but it's not showing up in front of the canvas. Help! Yeah, help! Z index. Really? Nine. Surely that fixes it, right? Nope. Oh. Oh! Ooh! No, 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 no! Okay. Now I just have to make it work properly. Okay, well let's see if this works. Yes, okay. So, why is it a negative number? Err. Oh my god, bro. So it's giving back a negative number. Why don't I, okay, offset. It's probably got to do with that, right? Do I just have to plus it? Okay, plus it after converting it. Oh god. Yeah, it just converts back to float. That's funny. Wait, advanced time. Oh. I don't get it. So the state is starting the timer. Start at time event dot time. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it's using internal time. Simulation time. Whereas outer is using something else. But I can convert, right? Is it like do do I just plus it before? Hmm. 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 La 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 la. Playback head. Ah. Okay, now things get complicated. Do I seriously need to do this? Alright, is it gonna troll me? No. Okay. Oh my god, and then it just works. Oh, that's really nice. Type inference, let's go. Okay, so then this is... Yeah. Um... Okay, so then... So this is now... physics time. Um... Crap. Really? So it depends on the bot. That's here. Indeed, bro. So, bot. That's yucky, but it's got to be done. Offset, offset. Ooh, actually, I get to convert big time. Yeah, man. I think actually this is nice. I say self dot time, bot time, and then this goes like no. Sad. Sad egg. Oh crap. Oh, it goes in lib. Can I do the whole thing like that? Time from float time. I don't know. Okay. Right. Where's the old error? We got any big errors going on? Graphics error. Map error. Yes, sir. So time error can just be error, because this is the time module. I'm gonna put my coffee away. I'll be right back. Okay, so then result. Whew! Okay. Can only be one. Ah. Why don't I change the internals here? Wait. Oh. So then why don't I call it proper? Are you good? Not quite. Plus offset. So this can just be dot time, and then we're good. T0. Right? We good? Oh, bot. Okay, we have bot. O. E. Oh. I guess we can double mutt here and do this and then this. Buh. Interesting. So indeed. But gah. Huh? 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 Okay, it's trolling me. This indeed. I what is this? Indeed. Okay, it's trolling. Oh, dot bot. You got me. Okay, probably I made a mistake and everything is break, but oh well. I can fix. Oh. 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 My fault. My fault. Ah. Whoa. 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 We have a run timer. I kind of expected it to not work. Huh. Hmm. Mm. Mm. How to format with JavaScript? Uh, string format. Uh, format the seconds down to milliseconds and no further. Ooh. You can't just F JavaScript string format. Printf. Am I overthinking this? I guess. But did it number? Oh, floor. God, okay. Hmm. Jesus. It just M'd my S. Wait. Ah. Oh. I want to. No, man. Oh. All right. Now we're cooking. That was a lot of stuff. Refactor lib to display timer HUD. $140 lines of code. Well, actually, why don't I rename stuff while I'm at it? Bot.offset. This is called loop offset, and this is called time base. Indeed. Can we go more? Duration. JS. We go. How do you do this? Can I just say like timer and then like that? Is that good? Is that allowed? Am I stupid? I need a div, don't I? Help. Nor. How do I? Help. Sure, whatever. How do I make both timers in a column? AI, save me. Div class equals HUD. Okay, bud. All right, we're doing it. Why is there dot? Huh. Wow. Yay. Oh. No, that's actually not right. Uh-oh. Ah. Rename things. R. Okay. What I need is the actual bot duration. It's not the first and last time subtracted from each other. It is actually on a timeline. Ah! It's on the run event timeline. I have to find something. We yeah, well, I could Oh, the problem is it's too general. Oh, you know what I could do? Is just say no and then go like, "Oh yeah, man. What mode do you want?" And that'll do it. Ooh. And then option. There we go. So then self.timelines dot run events find iter actually. Iter. Start equals find event dot matches. Run event start head something like that. You good? Start. Ah. match, I guess. Wait. Hello? Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And then sheesh, and then end. Oh, okay. If run start event dot mode equals mode ID. Right? Why are you expected bool? Oh, find map. Okay. We go. Yeah, man. Just whatever happens first, and then some end dot time. Okay, apparently I don't need this. Run event zone, type definition, mode. All right, so we got him. We got him, coach. Oh, wait. Wee. Okay. End minus start. Ah, physics time. Physics time. Okay. We are very much no longer const. Okay. No, this is actually not right. It has to be reverse, finish, and then start. Where's the g? Dude, I feel like I've reached my final form with glasses. My power level has gone up. Okay, GG. Oi. Move. That's fair, bro. Whatever you say, man. All right. Got him. Oh, end. Finish. Okay. I mean, there's more rules to this. I forgot. Yeah, it's more of a timeline, so I have to like simulate what the hell going on in Miami, bro, to like make it work. Shared. How does it know? Context something something client offline context? Oi. How do you know run? Help. Jesus. Run manager bot analyzer. Bot timeline cleaning. How? Oh. Yeah. Well. Ugh. Ugh. It's actually kind of nasty. Like, this is not quite right. I guess it'll do for now. Okay, whatever. Alright, where's duration? Oh no, no. Ah, ooh, yeah. Not pub. Yeah. So this is option. This can fail. Real. Oh. That's fair. I guess duration and run duration are not necessarily the same. Oh, this is actually totally wrong. I need to. Okay. Whoa. Oops. I need to put it back completely. And then there's a new function in town. Run duration. There you go. Time to move. Run duration. Yay. Question mark. Option. What was that? So then the old JS, we want to WASM module and then run duration and main mode as well. Okay. Whew. And then this, instead of saying 11, should say 10. Yeah! Okay. Very nice. Haha. Display run duration. Ah! Wah! No, the JavaScript is doubled in size. Yay. God, what a great song. Classic. Ugh. What the... Is this just wrong? I didn't even think to check. You can just do over 60 mod 60. Yeah. Right. Ah, jeez. Okay. I also want to clean up the errors here and the get the I want to have like controls. Why don't I clean this up? Load format. I don't know, mom. So we're not using the mouse position, right? We're not locking the mouse. We may pause. May. You may. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need. I don't need it. Escape pressed. I don't need it. Tab. I don't need it. F11. Sure. Paused. Ugh. So arrow keys, classic. Enter. No. Space. Right. No. We good? We good. Device event. We simply do not care. Screen size. Do we need screen size? As state? I do not know. Clean up strafe client vestiges. 50 free lines of code. And it still works, of course. It doesn't break. Cool. So I want to load the maps. So yeah, no. We always sniff. We out here sniffing. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Segment. Sniff. Sniff. Boom. Okay. So, not quite, huh? Physics worker instruction. How about dot crap? Oh, did I delete that? I see. Uh, all right. Well, let's reference Href client. Yeah. Where did he go? So should be ready to throw down. Okay. Yeah. Bro, seriously? Look out. Bro. No way. Easy. Segment. The heli. Oh my god, that's a strafe. That's a strafe client bot. Oops. Whoopsie. Oh my goodness. Okay, Qbot. We don't do bots. Qbot. Bot file v0 block. Qbot. Holy. Read something v0. Read. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. And then we need the error. Dude. Oh my god. Error? Is error real? It is. Okay, bubby. Roblox bot. Real, question mark? Okay, Qbot. Bot. Load format bot is a bot from the bot. Sniffy Diffy. What? Sniff, can you disable? No, I don't have any features. So you have to have all bot. I guess it should get compiled out, but Amazing. Where was I working? Oh yeah, file. Okay, I think it's done actually though. So now, uh, yeah. Uh, bot. Mutt type of this binding complete bot block. Um, new. Oh. Lib new. Sometime. So I think this is actually a mistake, and I should actually use v0 block here and say timelines zoink, and then yoink, and then no error. God, I feel like I've got like 1970s glasses on, and they're just huge. I know they look pretty good though. Okay, so no. Ye Yay! And then should do the same here. So we're reading all that to the ding dong, and in the ding dong, set up boom boom bang. Down here, new, no unwrap needed. Right. So we don't do that here. Bot. Help. Window context. New. Indeed. So we don't need map. We do need a bot though. I guess I can say empty block. That will break. Problematic. We'll say none for now. On window context. Oh wait, window context. Player worker. Bot. None. Mr. Beast. So this is some bot. Indeed. If let some bot equals self dot bot, then bot. Argument system methods are incorrect. True. Complete map dot create map, complete map, create map. Oh, am I doing the same thing? And it's like sucky? Yes, sucky. I think I just throw this away completely, and a map is a map is a map. And it decodes externally. And I can actually remove sniff. Well, no, it uses the type. No, it doesn't. I can remove sniff. Interesting. Yay! Sniff data. Yay! And then that's it. Map is map. A map is a map is a map. Oh, well. I guess we can do this. Hee hee. And then this. Jeez. Sniffy Diffy. Lib? Bro, I just removed it from there. Here. Okay, we good, we good. Sniff is there. Good. New. Player worker. Ah. Whew. Okay. VV nice. Hello. Mutt graphics. Where do these come from? Send. Where is send? Setup? Oh, I call it there. There's got to be another spot. Window thread, send time instruction native player. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I'm at a intermediate state here. What have I done? Oh, have I completed it? Okay. Let's try it. Web demo, and then let's try it in the wrong order. Web demo. Yes. How does it know? Okay, this should work, but it might not work. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! What? Okay. What about in the other order then? Cool. You can load it in any order. So you can drag and drop a map file, drag and drop a bot file, and it'll just play the bot on the map. But I can't because I'm on Linux Wayland and it doesn't work. But I can run the Windows version and it'll work, which is very funny. Implement file drag drop for native player. Hooray! And it also includes a refactor of the library again. Okay, I actually need to put this command into the documentation as well. Okay, so this repository uses git LFS. For large file storage. We'll need to run git LFS pull after cloning. Yes. Note get LFS in README. Okay. You can drag and drop map files and bot files to play them. Load them. Yay! And does the WASM module still work? It should still work. Shift. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So how many items is that for my checklist? Check. Check. Try sound on web. What? How do you do that? Wasm play sound. What? Oh, it's a gooby thing. Okay. Media player element. Platform Uno. Buh. Microsoft API. Huh? Is this like .NET or something? Windows App SDK. What the heck? Hey, Addy. Why is the chat not scrolling? So I have implemented a little what's it called? A HUD here. There was actually a lot involved because like before you actually make it work, you don't know for sure if you have all the code in place. So like refactored the live to display a timer HUD, 100 lines of code, and I was like refactoring a bunch of stuff. Oh, I added the flag reason text. Interesting. Oh, it's a lot of code to add to JavaScript. Nor JavaScript has to say small. I was really happy with it because there's like 40 lines of code and it like fit on the screen. Now it goes. Oh. I really like the architecture I have going here. It's very nice. Oh yeah, no, I want to do controls here. I want to make like faster, slower, make it good. Forward, back, decrease, increase. Set paused. Does that work? Maybe. Looks like it should be all wired up. Arrow up, increase, decrease, back, forward. We have no key controls going on here. I can always just add those back. R. Less code. Let's go. Indeed. I think there's no distinction here. It's all one goob. Oh, wait. Who broke it? Oh, me. Not real. No. Session. So there is no playback. There is no this. There is no this. I just have to say, do it. Session control. Oh wait, session control instruction. You good, bruh? All right, and then this is like that. This should be just brilliant. Instruction. It's not a subset. It is the whole thing. Boom. Okay. Device event. What even? Motion mouse wheel. Indeed, I probably will use those. But not right now. Okay, so playback speed. Where's the Where's the paused? Is that in freaking the window? Oh my. Set paused. Session. Is it okay to just toggle pause in the session? Oh, because it's the window focus. I see. Yes. Okay, so that's why I have the state all the way up here, is because it needs to be able to set it to a particular one, and so I have to have it at the top. Okay. Okay. So we control the weed. I'm gonna have like that or something. And then Earth. Yeah, okay. And then do it. Okay, well, actually, that can stay right there. And we just wrap it in direction, session, control, and then we good to go. And then it's part of the larger block. There we go. Skip forward. Skip back. Back. Ooh! Okay, so I'm going to implement skip forward. Set paused. Self dot timer set. No. Yes, session time. Seek forward by 5 seconds. And then seek back by 5 seconds. Does that make sense? Or should I just say seek to? Oh, I need to tell you the time. Oh my god. I don't know. We'll see. So this one we go self dot playback speed plus equals 1. Oops, minus. Oh, actually equals self dot playback speed saturating sub. Add. And then we do some floaty boy or something. The number. Where is the number? Is it like the cube root of 2? That's my guess. Arrow. Capital letters, capital letters. Where's the arrow key? No, man. Wait, what time is it? Oh, no, I'm good. Playback speed? Increase. I don't remember what the ding dong is. Binds. Playback context. No. It's getting cold. I know that if I put this on, it'll get hot. But what am I going to do? Oh, geez, I just fingerprinted my glasses. My glasses. No, my glasses. Ugh. I like this hoodie. The glasses still look strange to me. It's totally new. How is it bind? I'm pretty sure it's stupid in some way. Input manager. Yeah. It's going to be something like this. Increment fly speed. Playback control. Forward. 4/5. Really? How is that compared to the cube root, the cube root of 2? What is that? 1.3 probably. 5 quarters is just 1.25. Really?
Let me open Mathematica really quick.
Oh my god, that's almost exact. So 5 quarters is 1.25, and the cube root of 2 is 1.26. It's off by 0.01. I wonder if I rounded like that on purpose. Keep like good floating point numbers or something, but like it's still 5. Yeah, 4/5. I don't even need to care about any of this for the other thing because I'm managing the state from top down. And okay, stop with the game. And I can just like invent the number from scratch. So 2.0 pow f pow I help self dot playback speed as f64. Are we doing is 64 here? Divide by 3.0 semicolon xd. Ah! Uh-oh. The timer must use a ratio. So how do you set the ratio in the timer? Head timer scaled indeed ratio 64. How you invent a ratio is with continued fractions. That sounds too complicated. I'm gonna not do that. I guess I can take the integer out of the float and use the exponent. Okay, so I ate 128. So if we do 127, 10 to the 12, that's too fast. So we want to end up at about 1000x speed. So what is that in log 2s? So that is to the power of 10. So then we want 30 increments. Or go up to 32. So in Roblox, the bots go down to, is it 1/1000th speed and up to 1000 speed? I don't have those same limitations in this because it's meticulously or specifically not Lua, I guess. It's freaking actual programming. So I can just like have it run at a billion times speed and it'll just be fine. Actually, a billion might be too much. I would need to use seek but I think that I could do a billion with a little bit of effort. If I made the rendering where it renders each frame, if it just does a bisection to find the current timestamp instead of actually like seeking through the numbers, then it would be a billion easy. Or you could do any speed and it would be constant time. Well, no, it would be log of the length of the bot time, but it doesn't get that long. Okay, so we need to like invent a ratio here. Let's see. What is 5 to the power of 30? Okay, what is 2 to the power of 63? Okay, so it doesn't fit. So what is log 5? 27. Wow. Now I've done it. I guess I could use a 128 just like and then shift it. I could stay with powers of 2. Shift. I need to turn it into integer. I kind of want to make the denominator always 2 to the 63. Oh, actually I can't. I kind of invented a problem here. Let's see what the AI comes up with, because I'm not terribly interested in solving this to the greatest extent possible. Okay, where's the type? Yep. Scaled ratio. All right, AI. It's running. I have a float and I want to make the most precise ratio possible. Write a Rust program to convert float to ratio. Go. 0. Oh my god, it's just busting out the float stuff. Yeah, shift meant times sign. If you include, wait, as I32, if you include the, you could just include the sign in one go, right? Oh, actually, no, you can't. That's right. IZ. I mean, looks pretty good. GCD. It even goes for GCD. Lol. Check for overflow. Intermediate. Holy. This is exactly same algorithm that I use. Oh, abs. Interesting. Let's see if it even builds. Go AI. Thread panicked. We overflow line 54. So which one was that? So it went to 0.1 and then got an overflow. So what is the shift here? Indeed. So 308 2 to the 128 is, yeah, 2 to the power of 128 is less than 10 to the power of 308. So you gotta stay within reason. Indeed. Yeah. So then the maximum representable is just I64 max. So your floaty boy can't be bigger than I64 max. You could divide by 0. Doot. Classify time. Indeed. So we're gonna have something similar to this. Easy. Can you? Nope. 0. None. And infinite is also none. Easy none. I don't know, just... okay. So this is... This is a F. This is only here. Unlucky. Indeed. Time is not real. I-64 max. Less than... Indeed. Time is X. And then... So what is up? Match arms, incompatible types, option, I say. Return. What up? Game? Okay. Nito burrito. So not real. Not real. Not real. Is it Rust Funt? I think it is. Yay. All right. Use common integer ratio. You good, buh? Field is private. Lie. Oh. Oh, lol. That's funny. Mant. Why is it mutt? Num. So I believe it already does GCD. It doesn't. Or wait. No, it does not. Insanity. Test. It's gotta be real, right? Thank you. Okay, new. Wait, why is it optional if it's... Oh, it does do GCD. How did I not... What the heck? Okay. So... yeah, we don't need to do the GCD here. Oh, I see. It's GCDing to get it down here. Uh, uh, you can just shift down num and den if oh no, the I-128 values are too big. Let's see. From. No way. So why do we need to do this? I think it's dumb. Actually, how about just loop? Jeez. Okay, how about remove the I-128 section. The maximum and minimum value is same as I-64. Should be checked at the beginning. Try again. Try again, AI.
Go, AI. Go, AI. AI.
And it doesn't check. What is this? What? Not really needed. Buh. Oh my god. Crazy dependencies. Failed. Shift with overflow. Indeed. Alright. Okay. And then this stuff. Is this stuff done? Right. I just kind of called the functions that don't exist. Wait. Sure. So I just don't stage this and that. And it should build, right? Oh, I guess I don't want this yet either. And what the heck is that? I do want to stage this. Okay, good. There we go. Clean up player. And boop. It should work. Uh-oh. It doesn't. Clear. How? Why is that there? What? Did I not? It's deleted. Okay. I don't know why it didn't work. I thought I did that. Okay. Doesn't pause. Okay. Neat. I think I'll do these after. Ugh. We can go 32. 30 is 2 to the power of 10, 1024. It can go faster. What's more? 2 to the power of 16. Let's go for this because it's cool. So that's 16. That's 30. That's 48. We'll go for 48. Playback head, seek forward, seek back, set, pause. Let's try to implement that. Should I just bisect the whole thing and just have it be seek? But okay, seek, right. The reason is the internal state. I just... Ah. Okay, is it trolling now? Yeah, it's trolling. Okay. I forget time. What a goober. Right, so seeking should be independent of time. Self.timer set paused. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, and then self.timer set time. Time equals self.timer time. New time. Oh. Um. Uh. Offset. Um. Uh-oh. Buh. Buh. How do I do it? Coerce. Sure. Whatever you say, man. Okay, and then should work. Move. Nor. Okay, so no, right, the bot is needed for the stuff. All right, I'm just gonna set the time first, and we'll see how that goes. It should just figure itself out, at least for seeking forward. Oh, I guess I can do that. I can just run advanced time. Wait. Oh, I see. Well, I mean, it does have to get all the events. This is so. This is more than is needed. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, self.head. Oh, head. No crash head. Reset head. So I can actually remove the bot dependency here, and this will implicitly update next time you advance the time, and this will also implicitly update next time you advance the time. Okay. No need for body bot. Okay. Does it work? Today we got some progress. In the stuff you're doing or in the stuff I'm doing? It's amazing progress. Pause. Oh, it pauses. Okay. And oh, seek forward works. Seek backward? Ah! Okay, we can seek back since before the beginning of time, apparently. Seek back. Okay, seek back does work. Cool. Okay. Boy. Trait timer state. Wow. The timer is like freaky good. I guess I could do state mutt. It should also work for pausing. Let's try that. So I press space, it should pause. Space. And then seek forwards should work. Oh yeah, and then if the time scale is lower, oh right, it doesn't work. Okay. It's really nice and responsive. It's pretty cool. Cool. Implement, pause, and seek. Where are we at? There we go. Implement pause and seek. And then this is gonna need the ratio ste. And then AI, AI. Yeah, sure, whatever. And it doesn't work. Yeah, this is not valid rest. Oops. Homely mumbly. Why is there main and test? Okay, and then this is not gone from the top. Okay. And then uh, um yeah. Yeah. We got it. Yeah, this is not real. Three, two. Uh, okay. More errors, man. Oh, you can't equal ratio. You should be able to. Crap. Uh, yeah, sure. Yeah, we'll do it like this. There you go. It did them differently next time. Okay. Go AI. Failure. It didn't make it through any. Oh, I did make it through the test. 82. Oh, it made it through this one.
How does it know this?
That's impressive. So, well, let's see if this value is any good. I don't know why I thought it would be that. Overflow. Just above. Oh. So which one is that? 94. It's this one. So what is it? What does it give? This is just wrong. I wonder. Okay, let's see what this is. Is it actually? It looks pretty pi. No way. No way. All digits. Well, that's nice. I didn't have to think about it. So let's see the test with no test. Cargo test. No capture. Numden sum overflow non infinite. So it got those min positive. Oh, that's 0, my good dude. This is gonna underflow to 0. Oh, positive normal. Okay, I see. So then this creates a subnormal value. Can you do subnormal? I don't know. Okay. Okay, and then. Okay, I just go like, we do not care. Subnormal, we do not care. Subnormal basically means it's 0, doesn't it? Why is this mutt? So this is expecting a none value, but I imagine it's just freaking 0. Let's see. Actually, first, let's save. Let's try that. Overflow failed. Okay, so something else. AI 2. So what actually is the value here? Oh, 94. Oh. Poor AI. Let's do times 2.0. So the floating point tried to add 1 to an integer, and the floating point was not precise enough to represent that integer. Because it takes 64 bits to represent this, and the float has 52 bits of integer precision. So trying to add 1, you need to add like 6,000, like 65,000, some large number to like leap to the next representable integer, and it was trying to add 1. So times 2. So where is it checking this? If it's too big, baba booey. If it's too small, baba booey. Yeah. I need to do this. So why does it not overflow? That is a good question. It should be going here. No, it should be going here. If it's too small, reject. If it's too big, reject. So we've literally given it a number that is the maximum, but bigger. And it didn't reject it? Buh. Eh. 102. Now it's getting here? Oh, it was just wrong. Okay, mine got. Okay. Okay. We'll go with this. I am not sure why subnormal is saying none. Underflow. 296. Yeah. This should be just 0. We can just underflow. Den. Shift is negative. Right? We're not finding it. Let's try it. Should fail now. Ooh, juicy. Okay. Unwrap num 0. Wow. Okay. Flow to 0. Okay. Whatever. So this is just not an important piece of the program, which is why I used AI. There's a cool solution there, and I would think about it if it was an important part of some software, but it's just to like change the playback speed of a replay, and that's it. Okay, so now we can do this. Self.head dot set scale. Create ratio. Oh. Haha, lol. This is so sad. I have to just... Whatever. Just blast it together. And then now we need... I think I'll call it ratio from float. Oh, I guess I can... Nobody care. Okay. Goodbye. And then indeed. So actually we do need the current time. I believe. Set scale. Okay, I don't like it, but that's the way it is. Okay, the library is just bad. The AI code doesn't work. Surprise, surprise. It's pretty cool. So it works-ish. Rust float to ratio. No. Rational ratio from float. It's a rational ratio. Algebra. I don't want bells and whistles. I just want some crap. So it didn't work. So I'm just gonna like stick it to the man here. And by stick it to the man, I do not mean stick it to the man. I mean something else entirely. Pause and seek is implemented. How much code we got? We're up to 1,000 lines of code. Pain. But like, there's features. No, delete the code. Don't let it build up. No. What a eh. Oh, reset. Ooh, I forgot. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's 10:42. Damn. I completely lost track of time, but I have not been called away. Huh. Very nice, very nice. Surprise, surprise, the AI code didn't work. It was looking so promising. Potentially I can just add another test. Like negative pi, positive pi, right? Game. And then it'll just fail that. Oh, that's nice. Much fewer dimensions. Really? It's fine. Time. What the heck? 2.0 dot F64 pow F 1.0 over 3.0. Let's see what that is. Wait, that looks good. Is it my fault? Is my stuff overflowing? That looks good. Let's see. Ah. It's not good. That's completely wrong. So it works for pi and nothing else. All right. Well, it's pretty cool to have this. Let's build the WASM module. Just to make sure it still works. Nice. Refresh, and there's no controls, but we got our little HUD. Neat. Okay. Well, there it is. I did a lot of the things I wanted to do. Hell yeah. I was also thinking about trying to do sound, but we're already up to 4 hours of work. Very nice, very nice. The player can now play, pause, and seek ahead and seek back. It breaks when you seek back before the beginning of the file, but like, fix it later. And it doesn't like explode, so it just kind of breaks for a few seconds while it waits for the beginning of the file to become time 0. All right. Good job. Bot player is coming along. It's going to be playing bots like a champ in no time. See you next week. It's Friday. Stream over. Goodbye. As the music fades out,